Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy, and today we are continuing on our evaluation, our discussion, our rendering of opinions on various items that appear on the public docket in the criminal case styled as State of Idaho versus Brian C. Koberger. And in our last episode, we addressed the fact that on May 23rd, 2023, the minutes from the May 22nd, 2023 scheduling conference were published, and we went over some of the events and the participants in that scheduling conference. And two of the items that I wish to direct your attention to, also filed on May 23rd, 2023, is what we're going to discuss here. The first is a notice of hearing on the Goncalves family's pending motion for relief from the non-dissemination order. They filed it several months back. This has to do with the non-dissemination order that is still in effect and will be in effect until Judge either amends it, sets it aside, or does something else. The Goncalves family, through their attorney, Mr. Gray, are now scheduled as a result of this notice of hearing that is filed on the docket May 23rd, 2023, will be entertained on June 9th, 2023. So that's when their motion will be brought before the court, and Mr. Gray can give oral argument on it, and the parties, both the state and the defense, who oppose that motion will likely be then given an opportunity to be heard if they wish. This is an in-person hearing. It is scheduled to occur in Conference Courtroom 3. Another filing from May 23rd that I'd like to bring to your attention has to do with the Media Coalition's motion to completely set aside that non-dissemination order. They were heard also at the scheduling conference on May 22nd, 2023. The court is now setting oral argument, also in person, also on June 9th, 2023. Noting here that Mr. Gray will be appearing in the morning at 10:30, followed by the intervener's motion set for oral argument in the afternoon at 1:30. So June 9th appears to be a very busy day, because just like with the Goncalves family's motion, there is an objection on the record to the intervener's motion to set aside. So everyone will be given an opportunity to be heard in the afternoon on the intervener's motion per this second filing. The second filing also provides for other deadlines for additional papers that parties may file prior to the hearing on June 9th, 2023. The court has noted here, for example, that the issue of cameras in the courtroom, which was discussed at the June 22nd scheduling conference, that the parties can brief on that issue as well. That will conclude today's episode of the Indie Zone. As always, thank you for your time, and I hope that you will join us again.